Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Daryl Spilly here, bringing you another review on the Pentium RC Racing Boat by JJRC. So yeah guys, I would love to say a big thank you to Zyokin for sending us a free product for this review. So let's get on into the unboxing. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, the moment of truth right there. Oh boy, we got styrofoam. Alright, here we go. Oh, I got it packaged. Okay, alright, easy. Whoa, my goodness, guys. You got lots of tools and extra pieces like propellers, you got cables and USB cords for your RC boat, an RC remote control. This has really got a good grip to it. And I really love how this has like a real nice soft texture to the grip here too, that really allows you to have a lot of control when sailing your RC boat. Along with that, we have the manual, which is very important when putting things together and knowing what to do with the RC boat with everything that is included here. And finally, we have the RC boat itself, and oh boy, the packaging is really nice on this product, guys. Like, I would not worry about anything breaking or anything getting damaged. So here is the boat itself, and yeah, guys, you can see throughout everything that you get here, this is a nice package. I'm very impressed with how everything is built in here. So I'm really excited to get into what features JJRC has within their Pentium RC Racing Boat and finally test it out on the water. This is a close-up of the JJRC Pentium Racing Boat. I'm really impressed with every detail and the coloring on this boat. It's such a unique color and design that it will really stand out when you are sailing it. It has a max speed of up to 25 kilometers an hour. You can sail this boat with the use of its easy control remote. It has a distance of up to 100 meters and a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter power. You can use this to play with other multiple boats at the same time without frequency interference. This will also allow you to move in all directions. This controller is fitted with 4 AA batteries. You will need a screwdriver to access this panel. Once you get 4 AA batteries, you can just pop them in like so, and then bada bing, bada boom, you are ready to go. It has fine-tuned buttons on the remote itself to allow you to have more ways of precise turns to have the best experience with your RC boat. Another amazing feature with this boat is its capsize recovery feature that brings the boat back upright if it falls over or flips over on the water. The RC boat has a convenient low battery alert function that beeps on the controller to alert you if the boat battery needs to be charged when you are cruising on the water, so that you don't have to worry about the boat just staying out there stranded without a way to bring it back since the battery is dead. Speaking about the battery, how you can access the battery is just flipping this top area right here to the left, and then you just flip it like this. Now you want to make sure that everything comes back on whenever sealing it back, but here's the battery of the RC boat. How you charge the battery: plug it up into your computer. Once you have everything plugged up, you can just plug it back in to its battery control panel right so, and you are ready to go. Now you just plug back in or punch back in the top area of the boat. Now that we got everything, JJRC has really amazed me with everything that they fit in to create their Pentium RC Racing Boat. Everything from the build to the packaging, from the contents that they give you, and all the features hidden away in this boat. This boat also has a satisfaction guarantee of a 30-day return policy. Coming in at $60, you can get a really nice package. Without further ado, let's get into testing out the Pentium Racing RC Boat on the water. This has been the JJRC Pentium Racing Boat. yeah, that was the Pentium RC racing boat. And I would love to say a big thank you to Zyoquin for sending us a free product for this review. So anyway, that just about wraps up this quick video. If you like what you saw or heard, please be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, or ring that bell to stay up to date whenever I go live or upload a video. And as always, stay awesome, keep the hype alive, and I will see you guys in the next video.